information from all of our sales across the field. We would spend hours and hours sitting in front of a computer, analysing sales reports from our customers, trying to identify where our wastage was. So the challenges before engaging Justin from Think Numbers was that our business didn't have a single platform and one source of truth where we were able to capture all of the data from our business, including sales and wastage. We supply over 360 stores in New South Wales, Central Coast, Newcastle and Canberra, and across all of those stores we require a system that can provide us with clean data around sales and wastage and any issues that occur on the field. Justin built us a system that now provides us with extensive data that we are able to analyse through a very high functioning platform. Justin has built us a highly sophisticated system that now provides us with all of the data and information we need to make the right decisions for this business. Since engaging Justin, our business has increased from 300 stores to over 450 stores. We now have the ability to provide the right stock and the right quantities to stores exactly when they need it. We have seen a huge reduction in wastage from over 45% to below 30% now for some regions. And we have been able to make business decisions that have contributed to an increase in profitability across the board. We've seen less issues on the ground, less complaints from store managers, and much happier customers all across Sydney. Thank you, Justin. We were going through 20 reams of packing slips prior to Justin building this system for us. Now all our packing slips are automated. Our packers have accessibility to them through an iPad, and all the information is distributed so that we are now no longer printing reams and reams of paper, and it's all accessible through this iPad. Would you use Justin again?
Oh, I would love to use Justin. He's amazing. He's actually going to help us now to build an AI system attached to the system that we have now to make life easier, and he's going to do it for free. I have proof of it.
Try back and say something nice.
I don't know. No, Justin's been amazing. When the first time I met him, he built us. He said a lot about the system, but me myself not knowing about systems, I didn't really believe in all these kind of things. But then after he put his time and effort, he actually proved to us how well he changed everything in the business. And after that, we made him build all different kind of platforms attached to the system that he built to us. And now everything's going amazing, as you heard. My wife, when Justin started building the system for us, he actually put so much time and effort into the business. It's like basically he was involved in our business. He knew everything about our business, what we needed actually, and what we didn't need, because we asked for things, but then he realized that that's not the right thing, and he did it on his he did it on his own time, and he worked night and day working on the system, and just brought us with an amazing system that we have now.